And welcome back, dear friends, to my channel. This is Taz from Taslima Maya Art. I hope you're doing well today. And if you're new here, do check out my other tutorial videos on my channel. Everything from resin art, acrylic pouring, mixed media and more. I'd like to say a big massive thank you to all my channel members: Sin Gailey, Art by Sparkle, Travelling Tramps, Terry Lechner and Kim Cuervo. Thank you so much for all the support you extend to me to help me keep this channel going. And here are some discount codes for you as well. That's colorart.com, resiners.com, pandahall.com and Artistic Painting Studio. Referral links are all in my description box below. A warm welcome back to Texture Thursdays with myself and the amazingly talented Betty from Oak by Bettina. Do stay tuned because the amazing Betty will be up after me with her masterpiece. Today I'm going to be doing something super exciting. I'm creating a sculpture flower wall clock or timepiece on this beautiful olive board, and I created the background in a previous video using texture paste and stencils. I purchased my clock mechanism and the numbers there that you see from Temu.com. There'll be no more talking, I'm afraid. I'm going to play some music for you, and if there's any information that's critical, I'll pop it up on the screen for you, but do check out my description box below for more. I hope you enjoy it.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where this story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero. No one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul. I wanna be the hero. Oh, one bad decision. feeling clearer, the moments are realer. A weight off my shoulder, let me touch the sky. I'm seeing in color, I'm living in wonder. I'm right here now. I'm gonna dance in the light, I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. It was too long, I suffered inside. I was locked in my mind and almost lost my soul. Cause all me was tangled and caught in my ego. But I'm right here now. I'm gonna dance in the light, I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. I feel your love, it's in the breeze, on every smile that I see. I close my eyes and hear your melody. It's inside of me, it's inside of me. I'm gonna dance in the light, I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. 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 Yeah. Made it here, but all I hear are all of the voices inside of my mind, bringing all the doubt and all my fears, all tangled up, caught in all of the lies. I'm searching for the missing piece, but looking for a song to sing to calm this heart inside of me. Oh, it's the love you are, so unconditional to me, deeper than any scar, higher than any star I reach. Oh, it's the love you are. Oh, oh.
heart inside of me. But I found everything that I'll ever need, yeah. Deep inside you won't ever leave. Now I hold my head high, I can see, yeah. Oh, it's the love you are, so unconditional to me, deeper than any stars, higher than any star that I reach. Oh, it's the love you are. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's the love you are. Yeah.
Heartbeats, all is silence, darkness in the streets. We cut off the violence and put it to sleep. I can hear you breathing, feel you next to me. Heartbeats, all this silence, can't believe we're kissed. Thinking it's time to shine, we're making it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Just wanna be with you. Hold me if I'm waking, catch me in my sleep.
So here it is, folks, my beautiful, romantic, fanciful, very girly wall clock, pretty in pink and purple and gold there. And what do you think of her? I absolutely love her. She's absolutely gorgeous. She just takes my breath away, I think. Those beautiful sculptured flowers that I painted as well, and those leaves, the beautiful textured background, the way that gold shimmers and shines in the light. I think she's stunning, and she's going to look beautiful on somebody's wall. So if you're after something like this, do drop me an email at taslimamaya.art@gmail.com. You'll find it down in the description box below, but it is up for sale. It is a stunning, one-of-a-kind piece, handmade as you just saw, and I'm in love with it, but I am willing to part with it if you'd like it. And it works perfectly fine. Look at that. It's ticking away, it's beautiful, and it would look amazing on anyone's wall, I think. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing what you guys think. It was something that was a bit of an experiment, but it really worked out well, and I can't wait to try it again with different color schemes, maybe a black and white one. And here is something that I purchased I'm super excited about. I bought these online. I'm going to be using them on the next one. They're wooden and the Roman numerals. I can't wait. I'm super excited about those. If you enjoyed my sculpture flower timepiece, please do give me a subscribe, like and comment below. And also, if you didn't know already, I'm on Patreon. If you're able to, please do join me over on there, so you can get exclusive content, behind the scenes videos, Patreon shoutouts, unseen footage and much more. Come along and get to know me and my art better by supporting me on Patreon. The link is down in my description box below for you. Thank you for being here with me as always, and up next is the wonderful Oak by Bettina.